feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. All right, today, from our good friends at Temu, we have a Air Vantage sander that they sent out, okay? This is a 3-inch, 3 3/16 orbit, which is, I believe, 5 millimeter orbit. That's what this is. So this is your more aggressive cut. Also comes with a wrench to change your pad when you're ready to change your pad, and some oil and various sandpapers here. We have from 10,000, damn, I don't think I ever used a 10,000. From 10,000 all the way down to, I believe, 40 grit. So we're gonna get something going with that. But first,
you need to download the Temu app. Download the Temu app and search my promo code KJG5349 so you can receive your $100 coupon bundle. Let's say you purchase something for $125. With the coupon bundle, you pay how much? $25, okay? $100 coupon bundle. Type in the code now, KJG5349. Not too sure on how to type in the code and get the coupon bundle? Here's what you do. Open up the mobile app, like so. Type in the search bar, KJG5349. Hit search. It's going to transpute, calculate it up, and give you your coupon bundle. And if you're not too good with the search bar, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this QR code right up in the right-hand corner so you can just scan it, and I'm going to leave it up there for you the remainder of the video. So feel free, scan it at any time, and you'll be set. Just keep in mind, once you claim the coupon bundle, it's good for 24 hours. So you would need to check out within 24 hours of claiming that coupon bundle. Now, on with the video.
all right, so we're gonna give it a try on my personal vehicle. I had some bird poop that landed on here that sat for about a week, and it kind of etched into the clear coat there. So I've been wanting to try something with this, but yeah, so I'm gonna hit it with the little sander, I think some 2,000 and then 3,000, and polish it up and see what we can get out of that. So, and anyway, this is 4 years of the Amtech clear. A lot of you guys used to worry and wonder how long it'll last or whatever. So I painted this 4 years ago, and it's dirty now, but you see, it holds up. It holds up. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get this out. Hopefully that's picking up on camera. So let's see.
Okay, so first off, I'm going to start off with some 2,000 grit. I'm only going to be using the 2,000 and 3,000 in this, okay? First off, I'm starting with the 2,000 dry, okay? 2,000 dry. As far as the machine, again, this is the 3-inch sander. That's the pad size. And again, the cut on this, the orbit size is 3/16. Okay, so this is a good all-around choice. This is what most of us in the industry use. You know, sometimes someone that does a little more detailing, they may go for the 3 30" cut, which is the 2.5 millimeter orbit. But for me, I have that, and it just seems like it doesn't really do much. Where I get the most use out of it is when, say, I'm working on a run, I'm getting down, I'm getting close, I'm almost like thinking I'm gonna burn through. That's when I'll take that out and I'll go ahead and refinish, refine what I've been doing with the blocking to get all of the run out. And that keeps you a little safer. You know, you'll have a much better chance of saving the job before you have to burn through it, and then you're going to have to go back and redo it or spot it in. So at the end of the day, small sanders like this, you know, they are ideal for, say, small spot in, smart repair work, feathering your smart repair work. Just keep things real small. Whenever you want to just get in somewhere small and make it very, very, very minor, you know. Door jams, cutting in certain areas inside of a jam, or simply just denibbing your work after your paint work. So you're going to get 10 sheets of each. That's going to be 60 grit, 80 grit, 120. You're going to have your 240 grit, 400 grit, 800 grit, 1000, 1500, 2000, 3000, 5000, and 10,000. Okay, you get all of that. So that's more than enough to get you started. If you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you the drawer that I have for all of my different sanders. Like, I'll show you the bunch of different sanders that I have. And yeah, other than that, I mean, it's a great little tool. You know, they're always good to have. You know, I've always kept one, a 3-inch. Back in the day, we used to have it in like the pistol kind of grip, the pistol form, not like the palm sander, which I think I have one of those that I'm going to pull out as well. So, but you always need a little sander like that. Well, they come in handy. You won't 100% need it, but they make the job easier for you. Lots of different applications. So, as you see, everything came out. Again, I want to stress to you how important it is to download that Temu app so that you can get this $100 coupon bundle. Okay, it is not a gimmick. I wouldn't be running these back to back with Temu if it was. Trust me. Get your $100, bro. You deserve it. $100. You know, even if you don't select this item, if you want something different, something cheaper, again, if you buy $120 worth of tools or sandpaper or whatever you get, $100 off. $100 off. So like I said, stick around to the end and I'll show you the different sanders that I keep in my toolbox.
All right, so this is what we're looking like. So it got all of that bird crap, all that etched in to the clear. All of that is completely gone. You see, even compared to this panel, that sucker is glassy, smooth, no trace. So yeah, the Air Vantage definitely has its place in the body shop, you know. And like I said, with this orbit, this was more what I needed for this. I showed you guys I do have the Merca, and that's the real fine. It's almost just like vibrating, so it really wouldn't dig into this and get this out. I mean, it probably would, but it'd take a lot more work. This is a little more aggressive, so if you have something, you know, this is an older paint. This has been painted 4 years, so I'm not really worried about that digging in. And besides, 2,000 and 3,000, 2,000 and then 3,000. So it really wasn't gonna dig too much into it anyway. Didn't have to worry about that, but yeah, it's nice. So it has its place in the shop. Again, you guys are gonna get the sandpaper, whole lot of sandpaper there for you. A large variety of everything. I do recommend to get the interface pad. That gives you some cushion when you're doing your sanding. And to me, it just gives a better overall experience when you're sanding. And then that's gonna do it, man. That's gonna do it. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Just to show you guys a little more of what it can do as far as if you were doing some type of body work or repair, scratch removal. You know, this is 60 grit. And again, this is the more aggressive cut. So, you know, this is really just going to get down in there and do what you need it to do. Versus if it would have been on the 3 and 30 seconds orbit, that thing would really just be kind of just vibrating around and really not cutting much. Okay, so basically here's my sanders in my drawer. And a lot of these, you know, are just older sanders. There's a Mac Tool sanders. A lot of them I keep for if I'm training a prepper. See, these are probably 25 years old. Those Mac tools. Another 3-inch sander. This is my Dynabraid dual action. You can turn that to a rotary or Random Orbital sander. Great for stripping down things. Another one that's probably 15 years old. This is an Ingersoll Rand. My Snap-on. What else we got? I have an Aircat square sander. What else we got? I think that's about it. So, yeah. Again, fellas, do yourself a favor. Download the Temu app and that promo code KJG5349. Get your coupon bundle and you'll be set. It'll be good to go. Even if you don't need these products, there's other things there. Lots of sandpaper, lots of sand and blocks, files, everything. Paper, masking paper, plastic, tons of stuff. So $100, do it for yourself. You deserve it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.